This is the beacon project. As you can hear. No security, nothing. So this is the storeroom for the teacher. So this is the storeroom for the teacher. Grade 3.
I'm sure you have seen the unfortunate photographs and wondered what exactly is happening. Before you carry on watching the following video, let me just say what all this is all about. My name is Nkayi Zimbabwe. I'm chairman of Nkayi Development Initiative, a group that was formed in January of 2017 and officially launched in Wolverhampton on the 27th of May 2017. We are a group of people determined to develop our district where we were born, Nkayi. We are calling upon all friends, everybody who is willing to partner with us to develop our district. We have a number of projects that we are doing at our district. But while we were pondering over these projects, one project is caught our eye. A few weeks ago, one of our friends posted results of our primary schools, and one particular school, Somakantana, caught our eye because this school has had 2 years consecutive 0 pass rate. As I speak to you now, our Vice Chairman Nkosana Mtimkulu visited the school last Thursday, the 28th of March 2019. So this is a fresh video, and to see for himself and to see on our behalf the state of affairs at the school. As you can see, classroom blocks. What was the floor is now soil and dust. Cracks on the wall, the chalkboard is gone, the roofing is gone. You can imagine during the rainy season how those kids learn. The school furniture, there is basically none. No books, no teaching aids, teachers' cottages. The teachers there have no decent place of abode. The play center for the kids, basically everything in the school is just but in bad shape. But what pained me the most is their water, the long distance they walk to what they deem as clean water, drawing water with a bucket. And you are looking at them and you are holding your breath and saying to yourself, what if one of the children slid and fell in that hole? What could be the outcome? The trauma that will be to all the children that are there, the family and everybody.
Friends, you've just seen there. This is the water supply for the school. It's warm, and the children have to draw it in something that is literally saying dangerous. It's just unbelievable, but that's what it is.
And I'm saying to you, we can change these things if we put heads together. We have decided that in as much as we have lots of projects that we want to do in our beloved district Nkayi, including the general hospital and other water and sanitation projects, and we have decided that we will rebuild the school, raise it down and rebuild the entire school, and we need plus minus $30,000 to accomplish that. And we are, as you will see on the following WhatsApp link, we are calling upon you to donate through that WhatsApp link. Talk about this project. All the people you meet, tell them about this project, especially people that are from Nkayi. We are calling upon you to partner with us, and we do something. Decided as people of Nkayi that we are not going to just stand and wait. There is a wise Ndebele saying that says, "Itendele elihle ngelikhala ligijima." We are not therefore going to stay and sit and stay put, but we have decided that we will be complaining while doing something. Because we want to change the narrative that Nkayi Womyambambile. We want to make that district a district of brightness, of well-being and all that is good. And it's me and you who can make that happen through your contributions. Follow us on Facebook, or also on the WhatsApp link. Nkosi Kandlovu on Facebook, you'll find me. I will signpost to how you can make contributions. And once more, please look at Somakantana. Let's not just watch the video and feel sorry for the kids. Let's watch the video and do something. Our £1, £2 donated to through our PayPal link will help us raise money. By rainy season, the end of the year, those kids should have a fresh school with books and textbooks and school furniture, teachers with decent accommodation, and then we will talk of a good pass rate in that school, and then we'll move to the next school, next hospital, next dam, and we change. Nkayi, in 10 years, Nkayi will be a different success story. I know you hear me and you'll do something about it. Thank you and God bless you. I'm banking on you to stand up and do something for Nkayi. I know you will. Thank you very much. God bless.